This is amazing out here. I mean, we're in space. There is so much to learn and explore about space, and that's what we're going to do here today. Did you know all these things that are around us out here, all of these different spheres, those are the planets, and that giant star in the middle, there's the sun. Now, the sun is huge. And just to talk a little bit about how big it is, did you know that the sun is 109 times larger than the Earth? That means if the sun were the size of a basketball, the Earth would be about the size of a little bead. I mean, that's huge. Because I don't know about you, but the Earth is pretty big. Have you ever traveled around the Earth? I mean, it's massive. But the sun is 109 times larger than the Earth. And did you know that the sun is so large, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside the sun? I mean, it is a huge, gigantic star. And we know that there is day and light and this heat that is coming from the sun. That's all its energy. This star that has all that energy, it produces that light and heat for us here on Earth. And we see the sun differently though, don't we? Because we don't always see the sun. Well, how does that happen? It's because of an important word we're going to talk about today, and that is the Earth's rotation. This rotation is the Earth spinning. Did you know we're actually spinning right now? And it takes about 24 hours for the Earth to make one full rotation. And the Earth's rotation, it affects how things appear. But there's another important word that we need to talk about. Not only the rotation of the Earth, but also the revolution. Now, this is the Earth's orbit around the sun. So not only is the Earth rotating and spinning, but it's also revolving all the way around the sun. And it's following this path that we call its orbit. And it takes about 365 days for the Earth to complete one full revolution, which 365 days is 1 year. And so we have this rotation that's causing the day and the night in 24 hours. We have this revolution that is happening as the Earth orbits around the sun that causes the year. So that's why we have these different seasons and different patterns that you see in weather and all types of things, right? So not only is the Earth rotating and revolving, but there's this thing that moves around us and moves around the Earth, and that is the moon. So the moon is also orbiting around the Earth, and the moon's orbit takes just over 27 days to revolve around the Earth. And so that combination with the Earth's rotation, it causes us to see the moon differently on different nights. So you might see sometimes where you walk outside at night and you see the big full moon. And then another night you might walk out there and you see just a little sliver of the moon. Well, those, as it progresses, those are called phases of the moon. And the reason that's happening is because the moon is orbiting around the Earth. The Earth is rotating and orbiting, so all of this movement causes us to see things differently. So let's have a quick check on some key words today. Our two key R words were rotation and revolution. What was the difference? Rotation is the spin of the Earth, and it's causing us to have day and night. Do you remember how long one full rotation takes for the Earth? It's 24 hours, and there's a full day. And revolution, it's different because it is the orbit all the way around the sun. And do you remember how long that takes? 365 days, which was one full year. Man, space is amazing. Keep learning and keep exploring because there is so much to learn.